Hello, welcome back to Affiliate Offers. I hope you're okay. Now today let me show you how you can earn 50 USD every single day working online. Okay, so for us to earn 50 USD every day, the platform we can use to make that cash is called Amazon Mechanical Turk or Amazon or MTurk. Okay, so this platform is just a platform where workers like you and me can come and register and start working on jobs that requesters, the people who upload the jobs, have uploaded. Okay, so before I show you how you can get your own account, let me show you the type of jobs you will be working on. Okay, so here is an account. This is a USA account. This is the dashboard you'll see when you land in as a worker, when you make an account as a worker. Now you see this platform is really similar to uhrs platform. So for those people who have worked on uhrs or have an experience with uhrs, earning more from this site will be so easy to you, because most of the jobs they have here is similar to the ones in uhrs platform. Like you see, this one they pay as low as 0.01 USD, and they also have others that pay as high as $7. Okay, and currently on this account, this is a new account. You see I have like 3 jobs. This one, the second one and third one that I can just accept and start working immediately. Like this one they pay $0.05. Okay, so let me show you like one. So for like this one, you can preview it. When you open one of them, like you see they also have a service job. Let's open one and see which one can we open. Let's open this one. This one is the survey one, I believe. Yes, you see like this one. How to do this job is quite similar to the ones in uhrs. One thing you need to do is just to download the guidelines. So for like this one, you click on the guidelines and you go through them. So for this survey, you see you can qualify for high paying jobs that will pay you like 15 USD per hour. So the more hours you put, the higher your chances of making even way more. So for like this one, if you qualify for the ones that pay $15, like this one, let's calculate how much you can earn in a day. So let's open our calculator here. So if you take 15 USD every single day, and let's say you work like let's do 5 hours every day, in a day you'll be able to earn like $75 if you work 5 hours in a day. And they also have jobs that pays really low, like this one. So if we preview this one, let's open it and preview it, a new tab, and see the type of jobs. Now for this, you see they also offer bonuses, okay, for the jobs that pays low. So for you to get this bonus, if your answer is similar enough to other independent workers, so if the answers you'll be giving for this job is similar to other workers who are also making money or working on these jobs, then they will give you a bonus of 6 cents for this type of jobs. And this job is so easy, guys. What you need to do is also the same to that one. Just click on this and download the guideline. The guideline is 1 page long. So you can just take your time and go through it and understand it and start working on the job. So this job type of jobs is so easy. What they require you to do is just to search this business name online, then you state the category, okay, of that business. Okay, so if you find that it is a grocery site, then you just click on grocery, then you submit the heat up and you get your $0.01. So the more you do them, the higher your chances of making way more. You see, they have, for that one, they have like over 8,000 hits or tasks for you to do. And doing this kind of job won't even last you 3 minutes. Just searching for these online, then coming back here and stating the category of that business. Okay, so there are so many jobs you can do from this platform. Okay, so just find your the ones you can do and do them. You see others pay $2, 0.05 USD. So what you need to do is just to qualify and do them. Now let me show you how you can get your account. So for you to get an account, you just come to this platform and you click on register as a worker. You land to this page. Okay, this one. Now for you to get an account, you need to have a verified USA email, and you also have to have a USA verified what else, a phone number, real phone number, USA phone number for you to verify this account. And you also have to have details that match the state of where your proxy is, because you also need to have a strong proxy, okay, a residential one, for you to get the account. If you need a step-by-step guide on how you can get this account, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, if you have a strong proxy, you have anti-detect browser, and you also have a verified USA email and phone number, then just go ahead and create an account and start working. Now, tricks for you to be allowed to work on this account if you are not a USA resident. When you create your account, warm up the account first of all. Okay, if you create a verified email, don't create an account using that new email. First of all, warm up that email as by just sending messages or emails to that email. Then when you also create the account, don't work on the account immediately. Give it like 24 hours before you start working. Okay, if you do that, your chances of getting allowed to work on this platform will be high. So thanks for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye.